On a small island, one poor boy dreams every single day. He has only one ball. One day, his name will shine across the whole wide world. The boy lives in a small house. The house sits on a steep, green hill near the sea. His family does not have much money. Every day, he plays. A small ball is his best friend. The young boy kicks the ball against the old stone wall. In the warm evening, children run and play near the water. The sun feels warm on their skin. The boy smiles brightly. This boy's father works hard, but the family still stays poor. Money is always tight. Still, the boy holds his old ball close every single night. His mother works hard every day too. She cooks small meals and cleans clothes for other families nearby. The boy watches her with quiet love. His heart beats fast. Sometimes, his chest feels tight and strange. Doctors say his heart needs special care and gentle rest. Even with a weak heart, he never wants to stop. He begs his mother to let him play. She finally says yes. Doctors help his heart, and soon the boy feels strong again. He runs onto the field. Every step on the grass fills him with pure, simple joy. A local coach notices the boy's talent. He plays with older boys and never feels afraid. A small, bright dream begins to grow. Soon, everything changes fast. A big club invites him to train. The boy must leave his island home and his loving family. Far from home, the young boy feels small and very alone. He misses his mother's warm cooking. He misses the warm sun. Every morning, he wakes early and trains until he is tired. His legs feel heavy. Still, he wakes up early again the very next cold morning. Other boys are older and much bigger. They run faster, and they kick harder than him. The boy watches quietly and studies them. Some boys laugh at him. They call him thin and small. Their words hurt, but the boy never lets his tears show. At night, alone in his small room, the boy quietly cries. He thinks about his island and his mother. He almost wants to quit. One coach tells him he is too small to play. The words feel cruel. But every single morning, the boy returns to the field again. His body slowly grows taller and stronger. Each week, he runs faster and kicks the ball harder. The other boys start to notice him. He never stops training. Rain or sun, he practices daily. Little by little, his kicks become faster and much stronger. One old injury slows him, and his knee starts to hurt. Doctors tell him to rest completely. The boy feels afraid. One older coach sits beside him and speaks softly. He tells him something important. This coach believes the boy has a rare and special gift. The coach watches him practice every day. He teaches the boy new moves and gives quiet advice. The boy listens closely to every word. Slowly, his fear fades away. He starts to believe in himself. For the first time, he feels proud of himself. The coach writes a letter about this special boy. The letter travels to a bigger club. Big news soon arrives. A famous team from another country wants to meet him. His family feels shocked. The boy packs his bag and looks at the sky. A plane carries him to a new country. Tall buildings and bright lights greet him everywhere. Everything here feels big and new. The new team welcomes him. Kind coaches show him around slowly. He trains daily with players older and stronger than him. Game after game, the young player grows braver and skillful. Fans in the crowd start cheering loudly. His name spreads quickly. Soon, an even bigger team asks him to join them. It is a huge chance. He signs the papers with hands that shake a little. This new team wears a bright red shirt. Thousands of fans fill the seats, waving flags and singing. The boy from the small island smiles. Years pass quickly and brightly. The player scores goal after goal. Crowds around the world learn his name and shout it. Lights, in front of cheering fans. His body moves with speed and grace. The ball feels like home. He trains harder than almost anyone, even after years of success. Success never makes him lazy. Every morning, he still wakes early and works hard. His country calls him to play for them. He wears his country's colors, ready to play the biggest games. The whole country watches him with hope. Finally, the big day comes. The final match begins under bright lights. Millions of people around the world watch this one game. The game is close, and every minute feels long. His team fights until the very end. Then, the whistle blows. His team wins the biggest prize in the whole sport. The crowd shouts loudly. Tears of joy roll slowly down the tired player's face. He lifts the golden trophy high above. Lights flash everywhere, and his teammates hug him with joy. This moment feels bigger than any dream. Later, the noise fades softly. The player sits quietly by himself. He thinks about the small island and his mother's face. The hard road from that poor island led him here. Every difficult day made him stronger and wiser. The dream came true.